Tired of your Wi-Fi cutting out in Ubuntu after switching from Windows 7, making the dual boot feel more like a dual headage? First, let's confirm the problem. See that sad little network icon? No Wi-Fi. This usually happens because the driver's Ubuntu needs aren't properly installed for your wireless adapter. Boot into Windows 7. We need to find out the exact model of your wireless adapter. Go to the Start menu, right-click on Computer, and select Properties. Then, click Device Manager. On the left, expand the Network Adapters section. You'll see your wireless adapter listed there. Write down the full name of the adapter, as we will need this to proceed. Now boot back into Ubuntu. Open a terminal window. You can usually find it searching for Terminal in the App Launcher. In the terminal, you'll need to update your package lists and upgrade existing packages. Type the command sudo apt update. Then once that is finished, type the command sudo apt upgrade to ensure everything is up to date. Next, we'll install the necessary driver. Here's where that adapter name comes in. Usually, the drivers required are included in the Ubuntu repositories. Type the commands sudo apt install followed by the driver name we located in Windows 7. Press enter followed by Y for yes to install all components. Once the installation is complete, reboot your system. Bam! With luck, your Wi-Fi should now be working perfectly in Ubuntu. To now enable the hotspot functionality, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi and select Use as Hotspot. You should now be able to connect to your phone or another device. If you run into any snags, check the description below for additional troubleshooting tips and resources.